Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. So how many junk drawers do you have in your home? Currently I have these two. All of my adult life I would swear that this is the last time I'm cleaning this junk drawer because I vow not to have one, only to be very disappointed in myself every time that junk drawer filled up. Then I started thinking about why am I so opposed to having a junk drawer? My mother had one and she was a neat freak, and most of my friends and all of my daughters admit to having one, so why should I feel so negative about having one? I bet if I give myself the freedom to designate one drawer in my kitchen, that I will be inclined to declutter it more often when it's full. So I've officially decided to allow my home to have one junk drawer, with the privilege to quickly throw in whatever I want to, especially all those things that I have no idea what it is or where it goes. A drawer that I can send my husband to when he can't find his doohickey or thingamagotchi. But what I will do this time is I'm going to add in some containers to help organize the junk. That way I'm not tempted to throw stuff in the second drawer next to it, where I like to keep my more organized items that I need to get to quickly, like pins, scissors, and tape. Having a couple of containers in the official junk drawer will make cleaning it out much easier, thus giving me no excuse to not do it regularly. So while I pick through all this stuff, let's go ahead and agree that every house has some sort of drawer that somehow becomes a designated drawer to hold change, screws, pieces of candy, receipts, small toys, medication, and so many other miscellaneous items that we are reluctant to throw straight into the trash. Typically, most of those items have a home, but they have been quickly stuck in here and forgotten about. So I'm going to go ahead and find a home for all this stuff. And I'm only going to put things back in here that I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like something that we'll be searching for in the near future. And after we get this drawer done, then we will do the drawer with the organizers in it. These are the cleaning products that I'll be using today. In the brown bottle is Thieves by Young Living. I'm really liking that product. And I'll be using my mini vac that I use for my kitchen counters, especially for coffee grinds. Now the last time I checked, they were no longer selling this, but if I find one that's similar, I'll link it below along with the other links to items that I might show today. Okay, so I picked up this little clear container today from Target. I figured it would be perfect to put papers and, a little bit larger items. And this plastic one I had in here previously. So I'm going to re-put this back in here, but I'm going to add a divider to the bottom there so that I have a little smaller space that we can put change or screws or, small items. So I'm giving you a visual of what it might look like throwing junk into the drawer. Oh, so much freedom. And anyways, and how easy it would be to take the container out to organize it. Okay, so now I need to go through this stuff and I'm going to find a home for it. And I'm only going to put back in the drawer the things that I know that I might need in the future, but I'm not sure what they are now. I'm here in my laundry room where I'm going to put the batteries in the battery case. If you don't have a battery case like this, trust me, you need one. It's so convenient to have everything together. Alright, so this is my organized drawer that has gathered some junk because the other drawer got out of hand. But now that I'm reconciled to allowing one junk drawer, I'm hoping that I'll be able to keep this drawer free of junk and have only the things that we need to get to quickly. I love this white organizer with a removable slide tray on top. It has plenty of compartments to hold all the things that I like to keep in here. I purchased some new pencils and pens because we can never find them around the house, and I also got a new pencil sharpener to keep in here. I also bought these small notepads. They come in handy if you need to make a quick note or a list for the grocery store. I love how super neat this drawer looks now that everything has a home. The junk drawer only has a few things in it that I'm not sure what they are, but I feel like they're important, so I'm going to go ahead and hold on to them. I hope that this video has given you some motivation to organize junk drawers in your home and possibly allow yourself the freedom to designate one drawer to throw in all your doohickeys. If you like this video, would you please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I'll see you again on Sunday, where we're going to be tackling my guest room that's turned into a catch-all. Come back and see how I transform it into a fresh space for guests to relax in. I'll see you again then. Stay blessed, my friends.